Okay, so this is the should be the final report on this unit. It has been fired and adjusted. One of the efficiencies of this unit over an atmospheric is that the air shutter and the gas pressure can be adjusted relative to each other to allow for a proper flame. So this is the printout of the combustion efficiency analysis. You can see the numbers for yourself, 82% burner efficiency, which is a statistic. The temperature of the flue gas is 391 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to go too low on that, otherwise the chimney will rot out. The draft is 0.03 inches of water column, and the amount of carbon monoxide is 1 part per million, which is pretty good. So the draft, this is where we do the analysis, is where we stick in the probe and we get a digital readout, and we make the adjustments at the shutter and the gas. And then, of course, if there's any question, we can also clock the meter at the get a gas input. As you can see here, the chimney, as it heats up, begins to draw more and more. So this draft will increase, but this allows the chimney draft to increase without affecting the burner, the draft at the burner chamber. So you see there's the wind blows. You see as the wind blows, it changes the draft moment by moment. This temperature sensor is wired in. Got good patching there. And you can hear it was fairly quiet. Got a little bit of dirt showing up in the sight glass as expected. Got our drain bucket there, ready to run it. So what is happening is that the gas and the air inputs can be controlled. The flame is in a chamber, and the chamber is surrounded on 5 of the 6 sides with cast iron, so that it can absorb the heat of the flame theoretically better than, say, an atmospheric. So instead of having a draft regulator, an atmospheric has a draft hood, which is uncontrolled, and the draft can change, and it's not as efficient. So there's another shot of the rear. Got all these drains everywhere. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, so our VXT is installed. We did a test of the feeder and the low water cutoff, making sure that it is working. And so let's see, I think that is everything on this unit that we should be able to turn this over to the customer, and they should have a nice warm building, and they won't have $500 water bills, how much water this is using. So be well. I thank you again for your comments and questions and concerns, and I hope that we can make more videos in the future and help reduce our natural gas consumption one boiler at a time.